Hey guys, welcome back to Ready, Set, Viral. How are you guys doing? In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best side hustles to start at every age. But before we begin with today's topic, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. It's really hard to make both money and enjoyment in your life. As all of us know, it's far from easy to connect both sides of our lives, especially when you're older. And the worst part is that it's much tougher to find a job when you're older. So even if you have free time, you can still spend it on anything productive. Then what's good about having this free time if the only thing you're going to be doing is being bored? Well, we're here to say that nothing good comes out of that. That's why older people feel more and more useless and start to feel like a burden. But the same thing with younger people who want to finally be independent. Fortunately, we have a solution for that. They don't want you in a normal job because you're too young or old. Doesn't matter, you can do much easier things and still earn the same amount of money or even maybe more. Want to know how? Keep watching. The first thing you could do is incredibly easy, especially for younger people with a lot of energy. You can start your own small service business. People are not keen on doing such jobs, so you'll have more opportunities. Try your luck on some social media. You can either make your own business there, like selling some products, or even become a blogger. Even if the competition is big, you will succeed, no doubt. If you're still attending school, try selling some food there. It could be anything, starting from sweets and ending with proper meals. After all, you know how hungry you can get in schools, and not every one of them is offering food. Talking about school, try becoming a tutor. You don't have to teach only school things though. Just teach what you want and we guarantee there will be some people who will pay for it. Becoming a freelancer like a graphic designer, photographer, or videographer is something you can earn a lot of money from. You will earn a lot of money, especially at weddings. The next idea could be very hard at first, but with time you'll have nothing to worry about, and you'll still earn money, so it's worth trying. What are we talking about? Rental property, of course. Sounds like a good idea, right? All you have to do is purchase a house and rent it out to people. It does get a little more complicated under the surface, but you'll figure it out. Coaching others is also a very good idea. After all, when you get older, you'll become more experienced and therefore more people will try to get advice from you. Don't be afraid to share your knowledge with others. Now, when you're going to try these hacks, you'll see how much money you'll earn with how little work. You can finally be happy with your life and proud of yourself. No more feeling like a burden. I mean, not that you ever have been, but we can guarantee that now you can be sure of yourself. Also, now you can pay for everything not only with other money, but with your new money. How cool is that? So don't forget to try all of these side hustles. We're sure that at least one of them is going to be perfect for you, if not all of them at once. We're wishing you good luck on a newer, much productive way of life. But that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Until we see you guys next time, make sure to watch the 2 videos that are on your screen, and we'll see you guys in another brand new video. Bye now.